Oliver and the nature pond. Today we're making a new video called Oliver and the nature pond. And as you can see, I got the pond behind me. I put water plants in it, like water irises and water lilies. And I got two fish in there. One of them is called daffodil and the other is called gladioli. And I thought they were dead. I thought they got taken somewhere, but they didn't. Luckily, they were just behind a rock. What I planned to go to the nursery and get some more fish. Now I can see the fish pond from my tree house. We had to put a plastic sheet to stop the water leaking. I'm putting the rocks on. We use thousands of rocks. Oh, I should go here. Perfect. That pond work was hard work. Now we're having a rest with some tea and biscuits. Here. I'm putting in the water. This should be the last watering can. The pond is now full. Now it's time to put the water plants in. I'm putting in a water lily. Now how do I get this in? Just put it in like this. I'm putting some rocks in. I got two more new fish. They're both goldfish. One is called Daisy and one is called Poppy. These are what they look like right here. Now I'm gonna let them free. There. That should do it. I'm gonna give them a bit of food now. Daisy's really enjoying it, but Poppy hasn't gotten used to it yet. He's just wandering around. So now that I got all the aquatic plants in, now all the fish like Poppy, Daisy, gladioli, and daffodil will craft their own ecosystem. Look out! All my videos were my dad.